What's up, guys? Tech Tony here with another update for May 2020. I believe this is all we're going to have really for the month of May before when it applies to Google Ads. There have been a lot of updates, however, on Google My Business. Make sure you go watch those videos as well for business affected by COVID-19 and how those are struggling along. Anyways, this particular update is another political update as well, but this is mainly affecting New Zealand. Pretty much the basis of it is all advertisers running elections in New Zealand must be verified by Google. These elections start from anywhere from May 19th, 2020, moving on, which is it's the 28th right now. So these are in effect as we speak. Now there is a particular form and that you need to be filling out. Link to that form in the description down below. Of course, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me, Tech Tony, at Twitter or here on Facebook. Have a great day.